Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to discuss about the green tint issue, friends, in this MI11X device, and what is the solution for that kind of problem. So this is a kind of question which was asked by a lot of users. I did take the screenshot of one particular subscriber, so which says if you are having the green tint issue, what's your option? So return or the replacement. So this is the most commented comments which I'm trying to receive right now. So that's why I thought of making this kind of video, so which will give you the clear idea about what is the solution for this kind of problem, and this will also help a lot of other users, and it will also clarify a lot of other doubts as well. So first thing is that the green tint issue problem is actually there in my unit as well. I did couple of videos on that particular topic, so make sure to check the playlist as well for more details. The playlist will give you the clear idea about the green tint issues. So for me, I was okay with this kind of issue, friends, because I will say the reason. This green tint issue problem is happening in my phone only under the low brightness mode and in the dark environment mode only. So when there is any kind of a dark environment situation, and if my screen brightness is really low, and if I am using any kind of gray color wallpaper or gray color text or gray color background, only then I will be able to see the green color some kind of markings. So apart from that kind of scenario, I'll be never seeing any kind of issues with the screen, friends. So only that is a very small ratio where you will be encounter this kind of a problem. So for me, I did not care much about this kind of problem, because I'll say the reason. So there is another solution for this kind of problem fixing as well, because same green tint problem has also been happened in the previous Samsung, OnePlus and iPhone devices as well. So don't think about small phones. So even iPhone latest version, iPhone 12, and OnePlus latest iPhone, I think OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 8, and even the Samsung S20, they do have the green tint problem, and they got fixed with a software update. So I was ready to wait for the software update to fix this kind of problem. So that's why I did not choose any kind of option of retaining or replacement or any kind of those kind of category. I did not even try thinking. So because I do have that kind of trust in the MI and Xiaomi, so in terms of giving this kind of update and fixing this kind of problem, even if they don't give, still I was happy to use the phone, because that circumstance when I'll be using this kind of phone in the low brightness and dark environment and in using the gray, those colors, it's very rare case. So that's why I thought of just waiting for the update. And if you don't have any kind of trust issues, definitely then with the MI, you got another option, replacement. You can apply for the replacement and you can get the replacement unit. And if the replacement unit is also having the same kind of green issue, then definitely, friends, you can return the phone and you can buy the another mobile phone like the IQ007 or those kind of phones. So you can do that, friends. Definitely, I'm trying to say, because a lot of users, I don't want you to put in this kind of situation, buying this phone just after watching my videos and after watching my reviews and after trusting me. I don't want to make this kind of false promises. Even software update, even I cannot control the software update, so it's not in my hands. Even I cannot guarantee as well. So that's why I was happy with my problem. I was okay with my problem. So that's why I was not even waiting for the update. If you have that kind of feeling that every time in your mind when you're trying to use the green issue, then definitely you can try to apply for the replacement or just return the phone and buy the IQ007, which is also another value for the money phone as well for the budget. So very soon, in case if you're having, if you want to take my opinion about the IQ007, I did pre-order, but I was really waiting, friends, for the phone to come. As I said, I don't get any kind of review units for me, so that's the main problem. I need to wait for the normal user how they get their phones. I need to wait for my mobile to come, and then I'll try to make a video, friends. Absolutely, I'll try to make plenty of comparisons, lot of testings. So I'll try to upload as many videos as possible. So within few days, you can decide whether to return or to buy the IQ007 or wait for the replacement unit or wait for the update. So this kind of things. So first thing, wait for the update. If you cannot trust the updates, then apply for the replacement. If the replacement unit also fails, then apply for the return. And now you can buy the IQ007, or if you want, you can wait for the next Poco F3 GT or maybe Redmi K40 Gaming, some other phone. So definitely, friends, there are a couple of other options also available in this kind of price range. So do let me in the comments below what are the thoughts about the green tint issue. So what are your solutions as well. So what are the steps you are taking? So are you waiting for the update, or are you already returned the phone, or are you already applied for the replacement and the replacement unit was perfectly working fine? So make sure to comment below what is your feedback about this video. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and don't forget to check the links in description for more videos on this Mi 11X device. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.